What's up guys, I noticed something really scary outside of my house. I've been making fun of the Game Master for all this time. I was calling him Steven Share, Carter Share, all a scam, all fake. But today I noticed something really scary outside of my house. I'm gonna go show you guys right now. As you can see, this is our backyard, and it might be very hard to see, but can you see right there the footprints? Like, who is that? Is that the Game Master? I'm gonna go closer so you could see. I think the Game Master found me, guys. It might already be too late. I have the flashlight on so you guys could see also. Do you see those footprints? It's like minus 25 degrees right now. The Game Master's crazy to be in this weather. Is that the Game Master's footprint, guys? I also noticed something really scary when I was walking down here. Let's go take a look. I'm running because it's cold. Do you see this? This maze. Look at this thing, guys. This may look like just a regular structure, but it says GM. Do you see it? The G right here, and the M. Is this a sign from the Game Master? Like, did the Game Master find me, guys? Is he finally onto it? Is this the end? Like, what did I do wrong? I just made Game Master videos, like, what the heck, man? The Game Master left us a few snowballs beside his signature, the GM signature. He left us a few snowballs, so I'm going to break those right now, guys. So, there might be clues inside. I'm too cold to actually throw them all. I'm just going to crush them with my foot. Wait, what's this? I think these are clues. I think these are clues. I'm gonna bring them inside to take a look. I'm gonna bring them inside, guys. Okay, guys, I'm back inside. This is very scary, I'm not gonna lie. I just found clues after crushing those snowballs. It was too cold to throw them individually. So I have the clues right here. I have the clues right here, guys, so I'm going to open them one by one. So, the first one is this mask. I wonder, is this Project Zorgo? I don't even know, guys. Leave a comment section down below on what you think it is. The next clue. Come on, man. What is this? Here, H-E-R-E, here. And the last clue, what's this? Was, W-A-S. What does that mean? Here was mask? I don't even know, guys. Oh, wait. No, this can't be it. No. Okay, take a look. I said Game Master, and if we rearrange it, I'm getting dizzy. Was here. Game Master was here. The Game Master found where I live, guys. Guys.